Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this easy and beginner friendly tutorial, we will learn how to create a spider diagram in Microsoft Word quickly and professionally. Spider diagrams are perfect for brainstorming idea, organizing concept, planning project and visual learning. In this video, we will discover the correct method to create a spider diagram using SmartArt shapes and layout tools to make your diagram clean, attractive and easy to understand. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now you can see here my assignment. Now I go some down and select a page. Then go to the insert menu. Then click the chart option. Now you can see here mini chart. Now I'm go to the radar and we can see here many radar. Now I select the radar chart and click OK. Radar chart is a spider diagram chart. You can change anything here. Like now I am change it 25. We can see here change it. Then you can close this and change anything, like go to the design menu, change the design or change the style of this chart or color, etc. Now you can see we insert the spider diagram chart very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching friends.